Welcome to Science. Let's jump right into a really fascinating cognitive mystery today.
Have you noticed how real life kind of feels dull compared to your glowing screens?
That's because right now, our brains are basically drowning in a massive dopamine deluge.
Historically, this ancient neurotransmitter drove our ancestors to find essential resources just to survive.
But today's intense digital hits, they completely blow past what nature ever intended for us.
This endless barrage of notifications and scrolling builds up a super dangerous neurological tolerance.
Over time, this dysregulation actually creates a really severe dopamine deficit inside our heads.
So those slow-paced, everyday joys, they just can't compete with high-octane digital dopamine anymore.
So what is all this crazy overstimulation doing to our actual attention spans?
Well, apps like TikTok and Instagram are literally engineered to act like casino slot machines.
Consequence number one, the physical brain regions responsible for concentration actually begin to shrink.
Basically, we're actively training our own brains to live in a state of perpetual distraction.
Which brings us to a huge question. Why are we so utterly terrified of boredom?
You see, the fascinating thing here is that boredom isn't just an empty blank space.
True boredom activates your default mode network, which heavily fuels creativity and deep problem solving.
But reaching for our phones to escape, that instantly kills those vital cognitive benefits.
Plus, constantly escaping boredom slowly destroys our emotional resilience and our ability to self-regulate.
We've essentially traded sustained, real-world effort for instant, completely effortless digital gratification.
And this constant avoidance of friction perfectly sets up what's known as the effort paradox.
Digital ease lowers our effort threshold, completely killing our motivation to tackle real-world challenges.
Now, you're probably wondering, is all this damage to our focus totally permanent?
Well, here's the incredibly empowering news. Thanks to neuroplasticity, your brain is highly adaptable. Just like digital media completely changed your brain, you can consciously rewire it right back.
By actually embracing effort and tolerating daily boredom, your natural dopamine receptors will heal.
So, tell me, what will you choose to do with your very next moment of silence?